Hello guys, my name is Kamalesh and today we will discuss about OOPS concept in Java. So I will today we will discuss first is what is OOPS concept, then what is the need of OOPS concept, then why the developer develop the OOPS concept, and some of the features of OOPS concept in Java. So let us start. The first is what is OOPS concept. OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming language. So we know the Java programming language is a class based object oriented programming language. The main purpose of object oriented programming language is it deals with the real entity world problems. Means it can dealing with real entity worlds. The in the world, the before OOPS concept, they have a Simula programming language. Simula is the first object-oriented programming language developed by the users. They can use in programming language for dealing with world entity. But the Simula programming language is when dealing with world entity problems, they will complicated in readability and complexity in coding and their understanding by others. So Simula programming language is the for understanding and readability is going to complexity. That's why the developer can develop a OOPS concept. So now OOPS concept. OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming language. That means the object means the real world entity like a pen, pencil, bike, then any entity methods like laptop, mobile, etc. And the object oriented programming language means it is a methodology to design a program with it is a methodology to design a program with using classes and methods or objects. So the main purpose of OOPS language is it deals with the real world entity. Now there are different types of OOPS concept. The first is a class. Class is nothing but class is a first feature of OOPS concept, which is most important in programming language, which is a class is a collection of objects known as a class members or templates. So in this class we write a logic or we define a logic. That's why in class is coming in programming language. So class do not have any memory space due to it cannot space memory space. Class is a blueprint, one of the blueprint. So next is a object. Object means entity behavior known as a object. For example, chair, pen, laptop, mobile, etc. And object can entity behavior. For example, dog is a object because they have their own color, size. They have their behavior like sound, like wagging, beard, tail, etc. The object contain the addresses, like that's why the object can contain addresses. That's why it is use memory space in programming language. Next is the inheritance. When we object can use, we can call the data from superclass to subclass. Then we will use for inheritance. Inheritance is a source code which is used again in programming language. So next type in OOPS concept is next type of OOPS concept is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a type of OOPS concept which is used to behavior, different types of different properties of behaviors of methods. In Java, we can method overloading, and overloading the achieve polymorphism. Next is a abstract. Abstract is a dealing with showing functionality and abstract. Thank you.